If you know how your 5/3 shapes go across, and this is why these three are massively important, the A shape is the next one. We've got the fifth, we've got the root, we've got the third. Let me draw this on the sheet here. This is going up in PDF Club. Fifth root, third. And we're looking at this note here. There's the root. So what I do is I go up a step and I go up to the third because I know I'm going to move into my rectangle here. But what I've got to do is I've got to look at that little kink in the tuning there between the G and the B string, and then I've got to modify that rectangle now becomes a rhomboid. So what I do is I put the fifth here and I put the sixth here. We get this skewed shape. We get this. Now when I play my A chord now, and it doesn't matter where I play it, I'll play it anywhere. You can see that wherever you got that shape, you just think to yourself, where do I launch? And I love this because the third finger is a natural finger for launching off into shapes. So we take that there. We're going to do the leg. Yeah. Yeah. So that's where it lives. That's a C chord. Going along, we've used up the E, A and D string. We've used up the A, D and G string. We've done the D, G and B string. And now we're on to the last three.